Hey guys, my name is Jenny, and I'm here to give you a walkthrough to Harvard's CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. This is lecture 0, problem set 0, and we're on step 7, indoor voice. Let's get started. I'm going to go and turn my camera off so I'm not distracted. I'm going to read the problem to you. Indoor voice. Writing in all caps is like yelling. Best to use your indoor voice sometimes, writing entirely in lowercase. In a file called indoor.py, implement a program in Python that prompts the user for an input and then outputs the same input in lowercase. Punctuation and white space should not be outputted unchanged. You're welcome, but not required, to prompt the user explicitly as by passing a string of your own as an argument to input. And we'll go over these comments when we need them. Okay, let's get started. Over here on the other side, have your CS50 IDE open, and we're going to go ahead and make our directory of indoor here. We're going to move into our directory. And we're just going to type code of indoor.py. Okay, we're going to start with defining our variable that prompts a user for input. So we can actually copy that if you'd like. Prompts the user for input. And we're going to call it name, but we could call it anything we wanted. We're going to say, what is your name? And we're simply going to print hello. Okay. Print returns. Same thing. All right, let's give it a try. We'll go over here to our demo, enter Python of indoor.py. What is your name? Hello world. Hello world. Okay, so we need to output the same input in lowercase. All right, so as we see here, when we entered it in uppercase, it returned it to us in uppercase. So what we need to do is we need to basically take this string variable here, take the name, and we're going to open up our documentation here for strings. And if we'd like to return that string, basically the name in lowercase, this will capitalize it. This is for caseless matching. That's for capitalize. So we're going to want to find lowercase. Do Control F here. Here it is. So all we have to do is we have to come over here. We basically want to return our variable name because it's a string. Up, lower. Okay. And let's see how that works. Our name is You see that? Now with it. Hey, so it returned our variable. It returned the output the same, except for it is now in lowercase. It's that easy. And how we found that out was basically by reading the documentation. We would have never known that before. And again, you only use this stuff when you need to know it. You may remember it, you may not. You actually don't need to remember it, so you don't have to file this one away. This, not yelling, returns the string in lowercase as per the documentation that we just reviewed. Easy, right? And this basically returns the variable with the word hello in front of it. We could put anything there if we wanted. All right, so all we have to do, run your program. Let's do how they have here. Python of indoor.py. Type the word hello, and it's sorry. Python of indoor.py. Type the word in all caps, and it will return lowercase. Okay, do it again in all caps. This is CS50. And it's baby again. It's all in lowercase. Okay, let's try a number. Ooh. And it returns the number. Okay, if you run into an error saying that your file cannot be opened, retrace your steps and be sure that you are inside of your indoor folder and have saved your file there. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and execute submit 50 in lowercase. Submit 50. Maybe we should do our check 50 first. Check 50. Looks like we needed to do this. Didn't know what that means, but let's do like that. Waiting for results. Let's see. Look at that. It is all good, guys. And there you have it. Thanks. Stay tuned. We'll do the next one, playback speed, next time. Thanks.